Okay, Tube, let's review. This is that lawnmower I got for free. I put in a new pull cord. I cleaned out the carburetor, hacked the carburetor to make it work. Power washed it in the bag. And I got it to start, but then I had to stop for the day. So let's see if it still runs. And let's check to see if the self-propel works. Well, as you saw, it started. The idle's a little high. Let me. I can fix that by dialing down the idle. And but the self-propel doesn't work. Let's go take a look at the belt. See what that looks like. Tubes. Let's see why this thing isn't self-propelling. Well, let's take a look. Does the belt look connected? Around the shaft, it looks okay. But over by the spindle up here, I don't know if you can see it, right where my finger is, it's off the pulley. So let's pop this cover off and take a look at how you can get it back on the pulley. Okay, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this because of the lighting I have. It is getting a little late here. We've got a bolt here, and there should be another bolt there to get off the cover. These appear to be both 10 mil. And let's take a look at what we got here. Lots of junk. That's what happens when you let this your mower get all this junk on it. All this stuff accumulates in grass, interferes with the belt. Let's go get this belt back on the pulley. Down here. Belt guide back on. We'll put the blade on and we'll double check the belt and retension it with the proper cable setting. Gonna go sharpen this blade too now. Out of my used blade, I had a used Toro blade that I just sharpened because it was in much better shape. As you can see how much material is gone. So it probably would cut, but yeah, if I had this other one, make the customer. Okay, I have put the blade back on and hopefully put the pulley back in the right spot. Hopefully the pull cord doesn't break. Well, self-propelled works. It's the artichoke problem. I had the sensor here flip backwards. So that'll be it for tonight. This will be the final look at this basically trash pick Toro I got for free. It was in pretty sad shape when I got it. The belt had come off the pulley, and the belt guides were all bent up, which is why the belt was off. It was covered in dirt and grass and leaves and whatever. So I power washed it. I power washed the bag. I changed the oil, cleaned out the carburetor. I put in a new pull rope. Also, on this one, I had to get the new Kohler air filter box redesigned with the core and air filter. It all comes in a kit, and I got that off eBay. I did hack the carburetor because if you see right here, there's supposed to be a pin that goes there, but the pin's missing, so I put in a small wood screw. It just guides this little part here, and it works fine. So I also sharpened the blade and changed the oil. This will be the final start. See you later.